In this video, I'm going to show you how to order Grab food for someone else in another city. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Grab on your device and make sure you're signed in into your account. Now go ahead and click on that search button, which you'll find at the middle of your screen. Click on that to be able to change your current location into the location of your preference. Go ahead and click on your location, and here go ahead and enter that specific location where you want your order to be sent to. Enter the location in this area. You can search for it. You can also pin it on the map. Now, after you do that, just go ahead and click on that specific location that you want to use. Now you can find the recommended restaurants and establishments to avail or order food from on that city. So simply select the establishment where you want to order the food from and order that food on that establishment, and how you usually order food on Grab for your city. And that is how you can simply order Grab food for someone else in another city. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.